When you ask a mom in your life what she wants for Mother's Day, are you greeted with this? What do I want? I don't know, just to spend time with my family. Does she ever tell you, oh, Mother's Day is no big deal, you don't have to get me anything? Isn't that frustrating? You know she wants something, you know she wants to feel loved and appreciated, but you don't know what to get her. You don't even have a place to start because she won't tell you anything. Or maybe you've gotten her things in the past and you just feel like it wasn't a great way to show her how much you really care. Well, I'm here to help you today. I have tons of ideas, unconventional gifts that show you actually care, that do take a little bit of work, but you don't have to spend a ton of money and you don't have to spend a ton of time to show the mom in your life that she is appreciated, loved, and adored. If you're a mom watching this, make sure you share this on social media, send it to a friend, have them send it to your husband or your partner or your dad for your mom, and just get the word out there. It doesn't take a lot of time or energy to show a mom you care, but it does take some thought, and that is what this video is all about, giving you some practical ideas of thoughtful gifts to give to a mom on Mother's Day. So let's start with the mom who loves herself a cup of coffee. What you can do is go online or go into a special coffee shop and find some unique blends of coffee. Put them together in a little basket from Target that she can use somewhere in the house, because a lot of moms love a good organizational product. And then add in there something like a milk frother, maybe a French press if she doesn't have one, a Contigo mug that will keep her coffee hot all day long. And there you have it, a special, thoughtful Mother's Day gift for the mom who needs a little extra kick in her step. For the mom who has a hobby she already is doing or wants to start, why don't you consider getting her a gift basket of some things that will help her hobby be easier or more fun and shows that you actually pay attention. So for example, let's say she loves knitting. Go to a nice knitting yarn shop, pick up some nice yarn in her favorite colors, or ask the shopkeeper what would be some great yarn to include in there. Get her a knitting book, maybe upgrade her knitting needles to something cute and fun. Get a little basket that she can put all of her knitting supplies in. This will show that you're really paying attention and you truly care. If she loves baking, you can get some nice quality baking cloths, a nice rolling pin, maybe some new mixing bowls, some nice measuring cups, a food scale, maybe a sifter for her flour, and a nice baking book. If she loves gardening, get her some upgraded gardening tools. Get her a little wagon or wheelbarrow she can use to go around the yard. Or even take Mother's Day to take her to a nursery and force her to buy something that she normally wouldn't buy because she thinks it's too expensive or she just isn't quite sure about it. Encourage her to do that. And then if she loves to cook, maybe buy her a gadget that she's been talking about that maybe she just never would buy for herself. Get her a nice collection of high quality spices to add to her cooking, or go to a specialty cooking store and pick out some gadgets that you know would really make her cooking experience a little bit easier or more fun. There are countless other hobbies out there, but those are just some ideas of things you can do to make her hobby a little bit more fun, and you will win so many brownie points showing that you're actually paying attention to the things that she likes and likes to do. Now for the mom who is always buying and thinking about everyone else and rarely buys for herself, consider getting her a subscription box. There are tons of subscription boxes out there to choose from, but I actually created one for moms. It's called the Work Life Glue Box, and every month I send out products for moms. Practical products that fit with a theme for the month. We've done on the go, we've done time management, we've done meal times. We have so many other topics to cover, and then there's also a parenting product, so something you can do as a family like a game or a puzzle. And also a pampering product, because what mom doesn't need a little bit more pampering? And it's just so fun to get this delivered to your door just for moms. Now for this box, I actually created a special box just for Mother's Day where moms can try out the box. There are various products from multiple different boxes out there, and it's just super fun for moms to open up, get some encouragement, and have some fun products to use to pamper and to help make her life a little bit easier. So I'll have information about that below. It's actually priced lower than my normal box, even though it contains the same amount of great products. But there are also many other subscription boxes out there that you could buy for the mom in your life, according to her likes, her tastes, her hobbies, all those kinds of things. I promise you there's a box out there. For the mom who loves to read, if she has a Goodreads account, hack into her account or find her on there, Find her wish list of books that she would like to read and pick up a few of those, or ask a friend who is really close with her to find out what books she's wanting to read, so it can be a fun surprise when she opens this. And then add in like a fluffy blanket and maybe a fun little treat. If she loves popcorn or candy, you can throw that in there for a special little treat for while she's reading at the end of a long day. For the mom who never takes a break and is just constantly going, I would highly recommend you book a hotel stay for her. Plan it a few weeks or a month or so out in advance so that she has time to wrap her head around it, but schedule it. Don't just give her a gift card. Don't just say you want her to do this. Actually do it for her. That's a huge part of this gift. And make sure you figure out who's gonna be watching the kids and tell her she has to go spend time by herself. Go read, go plan, go watch cringy TV. It really doesn't matter what she does. It's that she's alone. She's taking some time to kind of recoup. And make sure while she is gone, you're doing the things she normally would be doing that day, cleaning up after the kids, doing the laundry, that kind of thing, so that when she comes home, she's not bogged down with twice as much to do the next day than she normally would have to do. This is a wonderful gift that most moms would never even think to ask for, but would love to receive. For the pregnant moms or the moms on their feet all the time, don't just go and get a massage gift card. Actually schedule a massage for a day you know she can go, and you can watch the kids or take care of whatever needs to get taken care of. And also add on an upgrade if you can of like a facial or a special kind of massage or an extra half an hour or something like that to make it even more special, because chances are she's not going to do that for herself, and it will make her feel like you truly care about her and are thinking about her. For the flower loving mom, I know a lot of moms love receiving flowers, but if you want to take it up a notch, consider getting a CSA subscription for flowers delivered right to your door, usually from a local farm or a local nursery, where they will send bouquets of flowers every month or every few weeks. And so it's a gift that keeps on giving, and it's something she will love and will win you a lot of brownie points for a longer period of time. Or you can go the route of getting her an actual beautiful potted plant that's already potted, a beautiful pot that will last for months and months or even longer, depending on the types of flowers. And then the dreaded idea that most men will probably hate, but most women will love, and that is to complete a project she's been wanting to be completed. Now, don't just go and do it unless it's something you can do all on your own, but if there's a project she's been wanting to do around the house that she needs your help with, but you've kind of been like pushing it aside or sweeping it under the rug, plan the budget, plan the time, the weekend or week you're going to complete it, and give her a DIY magazine and slip in a little handmade card saying that she can redeem that gift for a completed project of her choice on a certain weekend, and give her some time to plan it, to pick out the materials and stuff like that. But happily do the project. Don't get upset with her. Don't feel like she's nagging you. Just get it done and she will be so happy. So if you haven't noticed, the main takeaway from this video is to do something thoughtful. Don't just grab a bouquet of flowers and bring it home. Yes, that shows that you remembered it's Mother's Day and it's sweet, but most women and most moms just want to feel like you're actually paying attention to them. Moms know every little intricacy about their kids, about their spouse, about their home, and they're constantly taking on that mental load of remembering everything and keeping track and making the appointments and knowing what shoe size they're wearing, and they know all the things. So it just feels so good when somebody actually takes that time to think about them. So I hope that video is helpful. It does not take a lot of time, a lot of money to do this. It just takes some thought. I would love, if you are a mom watching this, if you would leave some more ideas in the comments. Help the dads in your life and around the world out. They truly do want to be good husbands, be good dads, show their kids what a good dad is like. But sometimes they need a little help, and that's okay. So leave your favorite Mother's Day ideas in the comments. And then I would love if you would share this on social media, get this out to the men in the world to help them shop for moms on Mother's Day. Or you can send it to a friend, have them post it passive aggressively, that is up to you. But we really just want to help them out and the best way to do that is to let them know what kinds of things we like. So if this resonated with you, I would love if you would subscribe, give this a thumbs up, and share it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will have tons more videos with other ideas, gift ideas, hacks for moms, and all other kinds of homemaking, working mom content. So I would love to have you as part of our Glue Stick family. But as always, I will see you next time. Bye.